This may be the world's most pure and healthy water, and it began as simple tap water. Introducing the Aquasana Clean Water Machine, expertly engineered to transform ordinary tap water into clean, extraordinary water. From hydration to cooking, you can now enjoy healthy water on demand. No installation required. Aquasana's Clean Water Machine uses power to deliver great-tasting, pure water fast. At the simple press of a button, tap water begins its journey. Water is forced through our patented Clarium filter. Independently tested, the Clean Water Machine uses selective filtration to remove up to 99% of 77 contaminants, including lead, PFAS, pesticides, pharmaceuticals, chlorine, and more, all while retaining beneficial minerals for delicious taste. Rest easy knowing nothing is added to your water during the filtration process. The only thing in your water is water. Each filter lasts for 6 months, making it a long-lasting, eco-friendly solution to disposable plastic water bottles. With a stylish, compact design, the Clean Water Machine is small enough to keep on your countertop, yet powerful enough to deliver filtered water fast. Setting up your system is easy. Simply plug in, insert the filter, and flush. Replacing your filter takes seconds. Remove the old filter, drop in a new one, and flush to get back to clean, filtered water. Turn simple tap water into something extraordinary. Purchase your Aquasana Clean Water Machine today.